So I have a list of 30 brokers. This was sent over to me by a person that watched the channel or whatever. So shout out to you for sending this list over. Now, this list is not so much for me anymore, but this is a list for people that if you're brand new, have a brand new authority, these are a list of people that you can start running with. I do recommend that you get the DAT load board. Now, you can screenshot this or shoot me an email. I will send it over to you along with all the services that I use for brand new authority, like factoring, fuel cards, insurance, and all that type of stuff. I can get that over to you, and I'll send it along with this list, or you can screenshot it right now. But the DAT load board, like I mentioned before, is like, that's where you would find brand new brokers, because it's a lot of them actually that'll work with you brand new. You just would have to find them and sort through. You have to make a lot of phone calls, because you might see a load in the area that you're at and you want to book that load going to where you want to go, and you call them and they say, well, you need 60 days, 30 days, 90 days or whatever. And then now you can't get that load. You just have to move on to the next one. And you can find a lot of brokers that will run with you brand new just by looking on the DAT load board and then making a list of your own that way. But this is a list. Now, I see a lot of them on here that I've used before, starting with the first one, C.H. Robinson, U.S. Logistics, Falcon, Traffic, White Way. We're not going to go down a list of all of these, but I just wanted to come out here real quick because this was given to me. So I definitely want to give it to you guys. If you guys want to take a screenshot, like I said, this is a list of 30 brokers that will work with you brand new. As you can see, the days required on the side right here is 1 day, 0 day credit rating. They all are B. So if you decide to factor these loads, they're all going to be decent brokers to work with being brand new. Now, also, too, I will contact them a lot of the times, especially like C.H. Robinson. They have their own load board. So you can connect with these brokers here and see if they have their own load board that you can look to see if they got loads in the areas that you like to run, the lanes you want to run, especially based out of your home state where you're going to be wanting to get back home to and stuff like that. You'll be able to put together some lanes for yourself being brand new. Now, right now, I do know that it is some difficulty getting a trailer, 53-foot dry van in particular. Now, as far as reefer, flatbeds, I'm not sure, but I do know if you're going to plan on running with a dry van, people are wanting $40,000 for trailers right now, $40,000, $50,000 for trailers, right? And if you're trying to lease one, there are none available and all these different things like that. So a lot of times you're going to have to call these brokers and see if they have any power-only loads available. Now, I do know a lot of people have power-only loads, but if you're not wanting to be OTR, because that load is going to have to be picked up, delivered to a receiver, get emptied, and then deadhead that trailer back to where it's going. Now, you can possibly put a load in it. If you talk to the broker, you can put a load in that trailer that got emptied, carry a load back to where it's going, get that trailer emptied out, and then return the trailer. I know a lot of brokers let you do that. They let you put a load in that trailer, especially if you're going to be returning the trailer back to where you picked it up from. They can let you do that. So that's a lot to deal with, if you're trying to run power-only stuff. But it is an option. It is possible, to find power-only loads when you're starting out brand new if you're going to have a tough time getting a trailer. I recommend, if you can, definitely get a trailer of your type, whether it's flatbed, dry van, refrigerated, or whatever, because power only, you can always run power only. But you may have to have trailer interchange too if you do plan on doing power only loads. To activate the authority, you don't need anything but $100,000 cargo insurance. I do recommend getting the $1 million primary liability, but a lot of times if you're going to want to get power only loads because you can't find a trailer or you just plan on running power only loads, a lot of these brokers are going to require that you have trailer interchange. So just keep that in mind as well. So guys, go ahead and screenshot this. Let me lift it up a little bit. Go ahead and screenshot this if you want to start contacting these brokers and see if they got load boards that you can look at to where that you can see if they got loads in the area that you want to run into. Or shoot me an email. I'll send this over to you in an email along with all the services that I use, including, insurance, factoring, fuel cards, and all that stuff if you are interested in that. I hope the video was helpful, and thank you again. Shout out to the person that sent this over to me. Of course, I've been running my own authority for a little while now, so I can pretty much run with all these guys and anybody that's out there. But if you're brand new, you're definitely going to be looking for brokers in particular that will take you and run with you being brand new, having a brand new authority. So here's a good list for you to get started with. Do the groundwork, put in the work, and then you're going to make it. You're going to be successful out here. So shout outs to all you guys. Thank you for all the support that you've been giving me with the channel. I hope this information is helpful for you. Until next time, see you in the next video.